Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you are trying to pair your Garmin but getting pairing failed message. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through this. How to fix the pairing failed issue, or basically the pairing failed message in Garmin Connect app in 2026. Whether you are using an iOS or Android, it's totally okay, same shape, same app. Let's get started, fast and easy as usual. Well, first thing first, go all the way to your Bluetooth settings. Find your Garmin watch in the pair devices list, then tap basically the gear icon, then tap on forget this device. So for me, I'm just gonna go to Bluetooth here, go all the way to details, tap on Bluetooth to activate it, then go all the way, tap on this gear icon, then tap on unpair or forget depending on your Android or iOS version. So after fully being done from this, we're gonna go all the way to our app in Garmin Connect. So make sure you're fully connected to the internet so you can log into the app using your email address and password. We're gonna go to this three-dot menu or more, then tap all the way to Garmin devices. Select your watch, tap remove device. Then we're gonna go and try a fresh start by restarting your phone and both basically your phone and your watch. On most Garmin's, hold the light button for like 10 to 15 seconds until it turns off. Then put your watch in pair mode by holding the light button. Scroll to the phone icon or pair mobile device, tap on it, then start a new basically fresh pair. All we're gonna do in this basically Garmin Connect app is tap on add device. After tapping on add device, you should follow some prompts. When the 6-digit code appears on your watch, confirm it totally matches your phone, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.